Say hi.
Kids' healthy shake that they will love. 1 ripe banana. I put 1 to 2 avocados. Avocados are sodium, sugar, and cholesterol free. Also, they are a good source of 5 essential nutrients for toddlers, such as vitamin C, magnesium, folate, and vitamin K. Spinach is really good source of nutrients for children as well, and milk or almond milk, chai powder or chia seeds. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, antioxidants, iron, calcium, protein, and omega-3s. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons a day for their shake or any yogurt. This is particularly important for toddlers who cannot tolerate dairy, eggs, or other nutrient-rich foods. So give it a try, Mommy and Daddy. Let's get started.
Mommy.
What did you put? What is
Nana.
this? And this one?
I tell you.
Avocado. Let's do it. Here. Put it there. Yes. Good job. Okay, I'll help. Good job. Avocado. There's another one. Let's put it and pick that. The rest. Avocado. Okay, here. Not ew. This is good. This is healthy. And what else are we gonna put? We're gonna put spinach. Spinach. Frozen spinach. Yes, that's enough. That's enough, I think. Okay, good job. Spinach. And then milk. Ice. Milk first.
No, milk.
Okay. Okay, careful. Okay, good job. This chai powder. Okay, here. Here, can you put it? Just wait, just wait. Yay! And lastly, what is this?
Ice.
Ice. Okay, put them all.
Ice.
Whoopsie. It's okay, it's okay. Dirty. Here. Okay, and now we're all done. Ready to mix. Cover your ears. Shake first. Shake, shake, shake. And it's ready to go. Close your ears. Try it. Let's see. Now we'll try it. Try it. How was it?
Yummy.
Yay! Say hi.